Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in with me. A lot of you have been asking about my skincare routine, so I thought I'll properly make a video for you guys. So many of you know I'm a sucker for clean skin and healthy hair because they are a direct reflection of healthy body and a good state of mind. And nowadays, to be in that state of mind is a blessing. So let's get started. So I wanted to invest in a good organic brand. That's when I came across Tega. I'm very conscious when it comes to choosing a good lifestyle, a good skincare product, and good cosmetics, and obviously what I eat, because it makes a huge difference in the long run, right? So I started off by trying their lip balm. Guys, their beetroot lip balm is a blessing, literally. So I use it in the morning as a lip balm, but in the night I use it as a lip mask. So I take a good amount of it. I apply it on my lips. In the morning when I wake up, I just wipe it off with a warm towel and my lips feel so nourished for the rest of the day. I don't even have to apply anything extra, you know. So one of the best things I like about their product is it doesn't have any extra fragrance, because I'm so allergic to few fragrances that I can't have them on me for more than a few seconds. It just throws me off. The smell throws me off. So I love their products for that one reason, main reason, that it doesn't have any extra fragrance. It's just the organic herbs that is already in there that goes in your body. So secondly, I wanted to give their hair oil a try because I have very dry scalp and my hair is very dry all the time. So I wanted to give their hair oil a try. And guys, as soon as I unpacked their hair oil, all I could think of was what my grandmother used to make when we were younger. She used to use all these different herbs and different oil. She used to boil them and you can smell them from like 2-3 streets away. It was that strong and it was so good for your hair. We used to get a nice massage done on Sundays and go to sleep after having biryani. So every Sunday I use their hair oil and it's very nostalgic. It reminds me of my old times and it gets me all emotional. The next product I want to talk about is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is universal. You can apply it on your skin, on your hair, especially during summer. This is a must-have in everybody's handbag. So after I get back from shoot and I remove my makeup and everything, this is like my 7th or 8th container. Again, so organic. It doesn't have anything in it. It doesn't have that rose smell. It doesn't have anything extra. It's just aloe vera gel. So I take a good amount of it and I play some really nice face massage videos, and most of the face massage videos goes up like, you know, you just apply it and go up like that, and then like that, like 3-4 times, and then give yourself a nice massage, leave it on for some time. Last but not least, I want to speak about the toner. Because toning is so important in every skincare routine. If you take a look at all the big celebrities' skincare routine, toning is so important. So before applying your moisturizer, before starting your skincare routine, you can do 2 or 3 spritz on your face. Or you can even do this after you finish your makeup routine. Tega, congratulations on winning the best Indian skincare brand by Economic Times. It's a very big deal. But again, I'm not surprised because you guys are so organic, so authentic, and just by looking at your packaging, and it's recyclable. So who wouldn't love it? So guys, you have my word for Tega, and Tega, you have me. I'm your regular customer. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. Give it a try if you like it. I love you all. See you in the next video. Bye.